Welcome back, Yogis. Today we have a short session to quickly activate your body, make you sweat, and boost your metabolism. This can either be a warm-up or a short workout. Firstly, sit tall on your yoga mat. Feel your center, feel your breath. As you exhale, we fall to the left. Left hand walk to the left side, right hand up and over. Inhale back, exhale to the right side. Continue for a few side stretchings as you breathe in and out. Feel the side body. Use your Ujjayi breath to extend more. Very good. Feel free to close your eyes. One more exhale to the right. Inhale back to center and exhale to the left. Brilliant. Inhale, sit tall. Use your abs. Feel your center. Hands to your heart. One deep breath here. Slowly move to table 4. Remember hands directly under your shoulders, knees under your pelvis. Good. Inhale, look up, belly down. Exhale, chin to chest, round your back. Just a couple of cat and cows. Keep warming up your spine. Don't forget to use your abs. Good. 3 more just like this. Beautiful. Last 2. And last 1. Inhale, right leg and left arm up. Stay here for 1 deep breath. Exhale, back to table 4. We'll go to the other side. Inhale, left leg and right arm up. Keep your balance. Keep your alignment. Focus on your breath. Exhale, back to table 4. We switch again, making a beautiful line from your left hand all the way to your right foot. Inhale and exhale, keep switching. Move with your breath. Make sure to push the palm firmly into your yoga mat. Good job, you guys. Last round, inhale, right leg and left arm up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift your left leg and right arm. Exhale, back to table 4. Now we inhale and kick your right foot to the back. Exhale, right knee kiss your forehead, contract your abs. Inhale, kick. Exhale, kiss. Good. 2 more like this. Once you're done, we go to the other side. The same thing. You're probably feeling it in your glutes already. That's right, we want you to get fit. Continue the action, and now we add the arms as well. Inhale, right leg and left arm up. Exhale, right knee, left elbow, kiss. Keep up with your Ujjayi breath. Keep using your abs. Inhale, extend. Exhale, contract. 2 more like this. Good job. Now we go to the other side. Continue moving with your breath. Feel your center. Feel your balance, feel your glutes. And of course, don't forget using your abs. Last one here, and then we'll come to child pose. Open your knees wide, sit on your heels. Resting your forehead on the yoga mat. Just a few breaths here. Listen to your body. Slowly come back to table 4. Now we move on to down dog. Send your hips back as you exhale. Remember, chest down, heart towards your knees. Inhale, right leg up to the sky. Exhale, right knee to the chest. Inhale up, exhale, kiss. Keep it up. Last one and back to down dog. Feel free to paddle your feet before we go to the other side. Here we go. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left knee to the chest. Continue with the momentum. Continue, keep your rhythm. Very good. Almost done here, my friend. Last one. Come back to down dog, then bring your knees to the floor. Ready for another child pose? You did a wonderful job for this session. Take this opportunity to thank yourself for taking good care of yourself. Slowly back to sitting, hands to your heart. With love and gratitude, let's say Namaste.